so what happens since that's rusted?
Well, we have to grind this down to bare metal and see if there's enough metal left.
If not...
And then like this will have to get repaired. So I'll cut it out, weld a new piece in. And what happens is, you like cut it out, you weld, and then you put the piece in there, weld it, and then you grind the spots down so that it never looks like it's metal. Repair, you know what I mean? Everything gets filled in and grinded down, relaxed.
So all you know that this could have been... You don't... Like, this could have been repaired, that's what it is, right?
Huh?
This could have been welded somewhere, and you wouldn't know it, right?
Right. Even these panels, we have to get the paint off to see if there was a repair. Because they could have. It's unlikely, but they could have repaired it with fiberglass called bond leather. And that's what you don't want because that stuff cracks.
Looks ugly.
Yeah, all of the repairs we're going to do are going to be metal repairs.
Which basically means you have to get a welder.
Yep. Sambo has one ready.
Oh, what's the one, right?
Yep. That's all you need.
Why don't you give Uncle Matt the harder side? The lazy part.
We've been sharing this the whole time.
I'm just kidding. It's a joke. Uncle Matt got it. Thanks, Uncle Matt.
You know what the funny part is? I've done this section twice. I did that over there and this over here. So you're actually right. You played it this way. That's why his name is on this stuff in there.
Who put my name on that?
Oh, you can get that stuff off?
Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be a pain.
It's all going to come off because the body, you know, the first thing is you fix all the rust spots, and then
Good luck in here.
all the old paint has to come off by sandblasting.
Yeah, so basically you're gonna be working on the roast for a year.
Yeah.
Gotta make it like new.
But then this car will never ever have to be done again. I mean, if it's done right, it won't rust again, and it'll be fully restored.
What about the metal back there that has like crap on it?
That all has to come out. This stuff,
Yeah.
it's a different type of.
It's adhesive from